On everyone, got a 2020 Toyota RAV4 today. We're going to put this Bosch cabin air filter in. Alright, so the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. We're going to need to drop it. First thing we do, disconnect the damper, pull the glove box in, get it past these stoppers here on the sides. Okay, you might have to go back and forth a little bit. It's pretty tricky with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, then you can lower the glove box down. Take off this door right here by squeezing this on the right side. I'm doing the door like this. Now notice this tray here is what we're taking out, but notice this gap here. When we go to put this back in, we're gonna want this gap, okay? Pull this out. This thing is pretty dirty. Take it out of its holder. So we get our nice new Bosch one. Now notice it says airflow. It's going to be down when we put it in the retainer here. Stick this guy back in here and make sure you get it all the way back in. So if you just do this, it's not going to work. You need to get the back of it all the way in there, okay? Where there's a gap here, you can kind of stick your tip of your finger in here because this door has these feet on it, okay? If you don't get it back there, you'll never get the door on. The left side in first, clip it, take your glove box, close it, damper, stick it back on, boom, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me or leave me a comment if you could. If you want to see more Toyota content, please hit the subscribe button.